Aditya Birla Sun Life Pharma and Healthcare Fund, a scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. This is how a typical Indian household looks like. Younger generation is fitness conscious and focuses on keeping themselves in good shape. The grandparents have regular medicines and also go for diagnosis and hospitalization as and when needed. As a family, they end up spending a hefty amount on fitness and healthcare, medicines, hospitalization and insurance. All these companies together form the pharma and healthcare sector. No wonder this sector has outperformed the broader benchmark index significantly over long term. The Indian pharma and healthcare sector is growing on twin engines of growth, that is, domestic and export oriented, and is poised to become a $100 billion market by 2030. On domestic front, various factors boosting the growth are under-penetration of medical spending and insurance, rising income, higher government spending on healthcare. With rising income levels, the average household healthcare expenditure along with discretionary healthcare expenditure will rise. By 2030, India is expected to become the most populous country with a large chunk of population that would require greater medical attention. Increase in life expectancy and lifestyle diseases will result in health awareness and precautionary treatments, which will further boost diagnostic business. And the introduction of Ayushman Bharat, world's largest healthcare scheme, will further drive the domestic demand by providing health insurance cover to more than 40 to 50 crore people. Globally, India is one of the largest producer of generic drugs and the biggest supplier to the US, UK and some other global markets. Indian pharma sector has all the necessary ingredients like skill set and low cost as advantages to become an export hub. India also houses one of the highest numbers of US FDA approved R&D sites and hence developing as a hub for R&D intensive drug manufacturing and CRAMS. Thus, the opportunity both in the domestic as well as the global front makes it a place to be. Presenting Aditya Birla Sun Life Pharma and Healthcare Fund that aims to make the most of the opportunities by investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks across Indian as well as global pharma and healthcare companies, including allied sectors like wellness, diagnostics, hospitals and specialty chemicals. The fund would invest in a focused portfolio of high-quality stocks with an aim to grow your wealth. It will invest in stocks of companies that have strong earnings potential, scalability of business, quality management, consistency and financial discipline. What's more, Indian pharmaceutical stocks have corrected significantly of late and are available at attractive valuations. So, make sure you aren't just spending on pharma and healthcare, but are growing your wealth too by investing in Aditya Birla Sun Life Pharma and Healthcare Fund. NFO opens on Thursday, June 20th, 2019. NFO closes on Thursday, July 4th, 2019. For more information, call 1800-270-7000 or visit adityabirlasunlifemf.com or contact your financial advisor today. A scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Aditya Birla Capital. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.